Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege. This game is a thrilling tactical first-person shooter that pits two teams against each other in intense, close-quarters combat. You'll engage in 5 versus 5 multiplayer matches, where every decision and action can turn the tide. Players select from a diverse roster of unique operators, each possessing distinct gadgets and abilities. Success hinges on effective teamwork, strategic planning, and mastering the game's destructible environments. Get ready to dive into the action. Understanding the core mechanics is vital. As an attacker, your goal is to breach fortified positions and secure objectives, often by planting a diffuser or rescuing a hostage. Defenders, conversely, must fortify their site, set up traps, and eliminate all attackers to prevent the objective from being taken. The game's highly destructible environments mean walls, floors, and ceilings can be opened, creating new lines of sight and tactical opportunities. Effective communication with your 4 teammates is absolutely essential for victory. Operators are the heart of Rainbow Six Siege, with over 60 unique characters to choose from. Each operator comes equipped with a distinct gadget and a specific weapon loadout, influencing their role in the match. Selecting operators that complement your team's overall strategy is paramount. For instance, a hard breacher like Thermite can open reinforced walls, while a support operator like Doc can heal teammates. Mastering your chosen operator's gadget and understanding its best uses will significantly enhance your impact on the game. To truly excel, focus on advanced strategies. Deep map knowledge, including common entry points, rotation routes, and advantageous angles, will give you a significant edge. Consistent practice with aiming and recoil control for your preferred weapons is also crucial. Always be prepared to adapt your strategy mid-round, especially after observing the enemy team's operator choices and playstyle. Watching professional players and analyzing their tactics can provide invaluable insights, helping you refine your own gameplay and climb the ranks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.